Okay, so in this example, we have n of 15, then we have some inequalities over here, and then we're going to decide whether or not we want to use our complement rule. So the most important thing to remember is that we have a total of 16 x values over here. The first one starts at 0, the last one ends at 15. So total of 16 values. Whenever we add a regular and our complement, we will always get 16 calculations total. Okay, so let's start with this first one here. X is less than 3. You know that means x is 0, 1, or 2. That's 3 calculations. Our complement would start at 3. We will go all the way up till our max of 15. So in our regular rule, we have 3 calculations. In our complement, we have 13. It's a total of 16 calculations. Are we going to choose to do 3 calculations or 13? Obviously 3. So we're going to pick our regular rule, our regular values of x in this first example. Okay, in this second example, x is less than or equal to 5, which means our x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 calculations. You know, we have a total of 16, which means our complement should have 10 calculations. The values for our complement would be 6, 7, 8, and going all the way up till 15. Again, that's 10 calculations. Our regular values of x are 6 calculations. I'm going to pick the regular values in this case again. Okay, let's look at a third example. X is greater than 4, so that's 0. Oh no. Starts at 5, 6, 7. That's going to go all the way up till 15. It's a lot of calculations. Let's look at our complement. Complement 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 calculations here, 11 calculations there. In this case, we're going to choose to use our complement. Fourth example, x is greater than equal to 9. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 calculations here, which means our complement would have 9 calculations. In this case, I would pick my regular rule because 7 is less than 9. We always want to do less calculations. If we were looking at a complement here, it would be 0, 1, 2, going all the way up till 8, which is 9 calculations total. Next example, x less than 12. So this means x starts at 0 and goes all the way up till 11. That's 12 calculations right there. You know that our complement is only going to have 4 calculations. 12, 13, 14, and 15. In this case, we're going to pick our complement rule. At most 10. Basically means that x starts at 0, goes all the way up till 10. Again, we have 11 calculations here, which means our complement would have 5 calculations. Less calculations than a complement. We are going to pick a complement rule over here. At least 12. So our x values are 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 calculations here. You know, our complement will have 12. I'm going to pick our regular rule. Our complement values would be 0, 1, 2, all the way up till 11. 6 or more. 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way till 15 again. It's 10 calculations right there. Complement's only going to have 6 calculations. In this case, we're going to pick our complement. It's less calculations. 4 or less. 5 calculations right there. Complement is going to have 11, 5 all the way up till 15. We're going to pick our regular rule in this case. The last two, less than 8. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up till 7. Then our complement is going to be 8, 9, 10, all the way up till 15. In this case, we have 8 calculations in both, which means we could pick either way, but I'm always going to pick my regular way because that's slightly easier than my complement rule. If you have equal calculations for both, you can decide, but I would go with my regular. More than 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way till 15. 1, 2, all the way till 7. Pretty much the same case. You have 8 calculations for both. Just do my regular rule.